Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you GK and we are going to study chapter number 5 medical equipments and chapter number 8 types of books. So, first take out your book and open chapter number 5 page number 12. The name of the chapter is medical equipments. Okay children, tell me one thing. When we are sick or ill, we visit doctor, we go to doctor for our checkup. So, what are the instruments which doctor use are known as medical equipments. Let's see. Medical equipments are used in diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Doctors and medical assistants use them. Yes, as I told you, whenever we go to doctor and doctor's assistant use these medical equipments for our health checkup. So, what are these equipments and what are the varieties of equipments doctor and their assistant use? We will study that in this chapter. Let's see. Look at the pictures of some medical equipments, identify them and write their correct names with the help of the help box. Now here so many pictures are given of medical equipments and help box is given. So, we have to identify the picture and we have to write their names. Okay. Can you see this picture? You must have seen this equipment at hospital. This is known as wheelchair. It is basically used when a patient is not able to walk, then wheelchair is used. Second, you must have seen this equipment also beta. It is very common equipment. It is known as BP monitor. This equipment is used to measure blood pressure. Third is syringe. We are very scared of this. You know why this equipment is used? This equipment is used for direct supplying of medicine into the patient's blood. This is thermometer. This medical equipment we have at our homes also and it is used to check patient's temperature. So, we will write thermometer over here. Next, stethoscope. Okay children, it is used to listen to the sounds coming from patient's chest. So, we will write stethoscope over here. This is a picture of stretcher. This equipment is used when a patient is not able to move. So, we use this equipment. We will write stretcher over here. Number 7. Okay children, this equipment we have at our homes also. You must have seen this. This is a very common equipment. It is known as weighing machine and it is used to measure our weight. We will write weighing machine over here. And next is, this is a picture of ECG machine. Children, so this is used to see the activity happening in human's heart. Okay children, let's read the fact now. First aid is the temporary help given to an injured or a sick person before professional medical treatment can be provided. Okay children, we are having first aid at our home, at our first aid box at our homes also, and if not then we should always keep them because it is the first treatment given to the patient before attending to doctor. We take first aid, we take help of the first aid. Now, we will see the spellings of all the medical equipments. Let's see. Number 1, let's see how to write all the spellings. Children, you have to write in a very beautiful handwriting. Number 1 is wheelchair. W will be capital. WHEEL, wheel. CHAIR, chair, wheel chair. Number 2, it's BP monitor. B capital, P capital, then monitor. M will be capital MONITOR. PP, monitor. Number 3. Next is syringe. S will be capital SYRINGE. Number 4th, it's thermometer. THERMOMETER, thermometer. Number 5, stethoscope. STETHOSCOPE. Children, you have to do all the work in beautiful handwriting. Number 6. Number 6 is stretcher. S will be capital STRETCHER. Stretcher. Number 7, weighing machine. W will be capital WEIGHING, weighing machine. MACHINE, machine. Number 8. Number 8 is ECG machine. ECG machine. MACHINE, machine. Children, I hope you must have understood all the spellings. You must have understood how to write all the words. You have to write all the words in very beautiful handwriting. These are the medical equipments which are used by doctors. Now we will study chapter number 8, types of books. So for that you have to open page number 1515. Books are our best friends. They provide us with knowledge and wisdom. We can find different types of books around us. Children, we all love reading books. We all love books. They provide us knowledge. They provide us knowledge about different places, different variety of historical things and many more. So, in this chapter we are going to study various types of books, about various types of books. Let's see. Try to identify these books by their given pictures and clues. Write their names with the help of the help box. Now children, so many pictures are given over here and help box is given over here. So we have to see the clue and we have to identify which type of book are these, which type of book is this. Let's see. First, it is a thin book that contains information about a particular subject. Okay children, it's a type of a thin book which contains information about a particular subject. It may be information about any particular, about schools, about any historical places, about anything. So it's a particular book, thin book. It is known as booklet. So we will write booklet on number 1. Number 2. It contains information about all the areas of knowledge. Okay children, it's a type of a book which contains information about all the areas around the world. That book is known as encyclopedia. Knowledge about space, knowledge about things in all over the world. So the name of the book is encyclopedia. Number 3. It is a book of maps. Okay, a book in which there are variety of maps which contain knowledge of variety of maps such as world map, India map, all the maps. That book is known as atlas. What is it known as? Atlas. So we will write atlas on number 3. Next is number 4. It contains a single very long story. Okay children, a book that contains a long story, a single long story with different characters, that book is known as novel. What is it known as? Novel. N-O-V-E-L, novel. Next, it contains the meanings of the words of a language in an alphabetical order. Children, it's a type of a book which contains meanings for all the words, and that words are arranged in an alphabetical order. You know which type of book is it? It is called dictionary. It is called dictionary. D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y. So, number 5 we will write dictionary over here. Next, it is published weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Okay, children, this type of book, it gives us information about the current scenario, current affairs of the happening all over the world, and this book is known as magazine, and it may be published weekly, it may be published bi-weekly or on monthly basis. So, number 6 is magazine. Children, let's see how to write all these spellings. Okay. Number 1 is booklet. B-O-O-K-L-E-T. Number 2 is encyclopedia. First letter will be capital. E-N-C-Y-C-L-O-P-E-D-I-A, encyclopedia. Number 3, atlas. A-T-L-A-S. Number 4, children, novel. N-O-V-E-L. Next, number 5, dictionary. D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, dictionary. Number 6, it's magazine. M-A-G-A-Z-I-N-E, magazine. Okay children, I hope you must have understood all the spellings and you have done this book work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. And now let's see one fact. The first printing of books started in China during the Tang dynasty, but the exact date is not known. It was sometimes between 618 to 907 AD. Okay, where was the first printing book started? In China. I hope you must have understood both the chapters. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.